problem. Till there, Ashwini ma'am will going to talk to you. Anna, Ashwini ma'am will going to talk to you. Okay. So today, which subject we will going to do? Which subject? Can you tell me? Anybody knows about that?
EVS.
EVS. And which lesson we have done in last session? In which lesson we have completed in the last session? EVS का कौन सा lesson read किया था? Which lesson we have read?
I love my family.
I love my family. Yes, very good.
I love
Yes, very good. Yes, Tulika ma'am, are you there? Tulika ma'am, unmute yourself and talk. Yes, children are there with you.
Okay.
Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am.
Continue with your class. Thank you. Bye, children.
Okay. Thank you, children, for being there and waiting for me and listening to Ashwini ma'am nicely. Thank you so much. All right, we resume our class. And yes, today is EVS. Yes, EVS. And you know what chapter we are going to do? We are going to do lesson 5. Lesson 5. Yes, I love my family. Okay. So all of you are there on the same page of your EVS book? Yes, very good. Oh, there are only 19 students today. Are yesterday they were full attendance and today only 19. Oh, I want to see more students. Okay, never mind, we will catch up with them. But by the time, take out your books and your EVS copy. We will do question answers also today. Okay? We will also do the question answers today too. So please take out your EVS copies as well, your notebooks. Take out your notebooks. Okay? Okay, tell me one thing. Aryan, your camera is off. Tell me, how many types of families are there? How many kinds of families are there? Who's going to raise hand? Raise hand and answer. Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi.
family.
No, Arvi. I said who's going to raise hand. Always you remember that you have to raise hand and answer me. Do not answer out of turn. Right now, Shanvi stood up her hand first. So Shanvi is going to answer me. Yes, Shanvi. Then Arvi, then Parv.
Joint family and small family.
Okay, very good, very good. Acha, Shanvi has answered. Now Arvi is going to answer. Then Parv, if you sit properly, then I'm going to speak to you. Okay? Okay, Arvi, answer.
Small family, large family, joint family.
Very good, very good. Okay, Parv, how are you sitting, beta? Sit properly.
Small family, joint family.
Okay, yes, very good. Small family, joint family or large family? Yes, Angel also wants to say. Yes, try out. Angel, open your mic and answer.
Joint family.
And?
Big family.
And? Arey, बार-बार mic off कर दे रही है. Answer completely. How many kinds of families are there? Acha, fine. Put your hands down. Put your hand down, Rajveer. You say.
There are two types of family. Joint family and small family.
There are 3 types of family. Who's going to tell me? Yes. One is small family, where is mummy, papa, and children. Okay. Okay, mic off. Mic off, mic off. Mic off. Mic off. Now I'm speaking. Who's speaking this? Okay, now I am going to speak, you are going to listen. All right? Hands down, children. Hands down. Hands down. Good. There are three kinds. Shh. I said hands down. Yuktaksha's mic is on, yes. I know you have understood by now. I know you all are going to give me the same answer, okay? So, I will repeat it for you all. First is small family, which consists of mummy, papa, and children. Okay? Brother and sister, children. Okay? And the second is large family. In large family, you have grandparents, parents, and children. Okay? All right? I hope you all are paying attention to me. If I explain how you're supposed to sit. When I explain how are you supposed to sit, show me how you're supposed to sit. Show me. Parv, how you supposed to sit? Aleva, Charvi, Shanvi, how you're supposed to sit? Yes, you look so smart sitting like this. Very good. Yes. Now you should always sit like that. Gitanshi is not at her place. Yes. Cross your hands like this. Fold your arms. And hands. Yes. Aryan, hands down, please. Right now I'm saying. So you just pay attention to how I'm explaining it to you. Okay? I'm explaining to you. So you must take care and listen properly. Listen. Okay? Just not hear. Don't hear me from here and there. Just listen. Listen means paying attention. Okay? Understood? All right. So, large family means where you have your grandparents, your parents, and your siblings. Sibling means your brothers and sister. Okay? Children. And joint family means where you have your grandparents, your parents, your uncle, auntie, and your brothers and sisters, as well as your cousins. Okay? Cousins means children of uncle and auntie. Okay? Is it clear to you, all of you? Is it clear to all? Show me a thumbs up. Who still has a doubt? Tell me who has a doubt. जिसको समझ में नहीं आया. Who has a doubt? Charvi has a doubt. Okay, Charvi, ask your question, beta. Ask your question.
Joint family समझ में नहीं आया.
Ask me in English. If you don't ask me in English, I'm sorry, I cannot answer you. Ask me in English.
Ma'am, I don't understood joint family.
Ma'am, I did not understand joint family. Repeat.
Ma'am, I
Did not.
Ma'am, I did not understand joint family.
Very good. You will ask me like this. Okay, Charvi? And everybody. I'm not only teaching to Charvi, I'm explaining this so that everybody remembers how you should ask in English. Okay? If you don't understand anything, you will ask me, ma'am, I did not understand this. Okay? Okay? Show me a thumbs up. All right. Good. So just read in the book once again. And joint family is clear. Joint family, Charvi. In joint family, we have our grandparents. We have our parents. Okay. Grandparents means dada dadi. Okay. Parents means Naisha, what is that? Why is that and what is that? Is that a book? Don't keep anything extra which can distract you, my dear children. Don't keep your toys, your phone, your any other comic book around you. You should not get distracted, dear children. Otherwise, you will not understand. You will not remember what I say. All right? You're so far from me. है ना? आप लोग कितने दूर बैठे हो, लेकिन मैंने आपको कैसे पकड़ रखा है? अपने इस कैमरा से, मैंने इस कैमरा में आपको फंसा रखा है, right? So you all are in front of me with the help of this camera, and this camera is making our classroom. Okay, this is our classroom. So just imagine, just put your hands like this. Hands like this. Yes, all of you, all of you. And you can just see your friends and me, right? Can you just see your friends and me right now? You can see nothing around you. So you will just think that your friends and your Tulika ma'am is there in your classroom and nothing is there around you. Nobody. No mama, no papa, no bhaiya, no didi, no one. Okay? You're just now with me only. Okay? All right. So I was explaining joint family once again. Joint family is where you have your grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, your parents, mummy, papa, and your brother and sister. With them, also you have your uncle and auntie. Okay? Uncle and auntie, that is your chacha, chachi. Tau, tai. Okay? Badi mummy, badi papa, that is your uncle. And chacha, chachi is also your uncle. All right? Uncle and auntie. And their children. Their children are your cousin. Cousin, sister, Angel, you are playing too much on your table. I can see that. And that is why your phone dropped out. Can you sit by folding your hands, Parv and Angel? And Sarah? This is the reason why I say that you should fold your hands and sit. Parv, fold your arms and sit. Fold your arms. Do nothing. Just keep your books open in front of you and just fold your arms and sit straight. Look at Tulika ma'am. Do nothing. Do nothing. कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. ना कुछ लिखना है, ना कुछ पढ़ना है. Just ma'am को देखना है. Sarah Khan, you're not paying attention. You're not paying attention. Okay? Aryan, look in front. Aryan, look in front. All right. Inaya, put your camera a little down. Ritisha, you're joining too late. Okay. So, joint family is clear to you now? Is it clear to you, Charvi? Good. Large family, what is large? Aryan Dashputra, look in front of the camera and sit by folding your hands. You don't have to write anything. Fold your hands and sit. Ritisha Patel, please come quickly and join your class. You're late. Sarah, open your camera. Sarah, open your camera. And sit straight.
Ma'am, sorry.
Ritisha, please, my mic off. Okay. Large family. Large family, Angel. Fold your arms and sit. I can see you very well. I'm taking a screenshot now. See how Shanvi is sitting, putting a finger on her lip and folding her hands. See how Naisha is sitting. Arhan is sitting, folding her arms and it's not moving at all. Arvi is sitting by folding her hand. Nishant is sitting. You have to sit like this. Sarah Khan, I'm putting you out of the class then, if you're not listening. Sarah, pay attention, beta. Parv, sit straight. Large family means, pay attention. What is large family? Large family means where you have your grandparents, that is your grandfather, grandmother, your mother, your father, and you, your brother and sister. Okay? That is your large family. And what is small family? Small family means you, your brother, sister, and your mummy, papa. That is small family. Clear with the three families? Sure? Okay. Now, all of you will open your arms and take out your notebooks. Take out your notebooks quickly. Take out your EVS notebooks. Without talking, EVS notebook, Aryan, notebook. Take out your EVS notebook. Okay. Arhan, from this month, Prisha is going to take the keep the name of absentees. Okay. You are free for this month. Okay. Thank you so much for helping me for the entire month of July. Thank you so much, my dear. You've done a wonderful job. Now, Prisha is there. Yes, Prisha, as a virtual prefect, you are going to just give me the name of the absentees every day. Okay. Then also I will give one more virtual prefect. Okay. Angel, why is your camera off? Why is your camera off? Why is you touching the phone again and again? Now it is okay. Oh, that's very naughty phone then. Very naughty phone. Disturbing Angel again and again. Okay, no problem. You can now open the copies, your EVS notebook. All right. And in your EVS notebook, we are going to do the EVS question answers. Okay. Fine. Till the time I'm loading the page, Inaya, tell me how many members are there in your family? Inaya Jaiswal, tell me how many members are there in your family?
Yes. Dada. 11 family.
11.
11 members.
My God, 11 members. Can you give their title? Who all are they? Who all are they in your family? Don't show me the book. Don't show me the book. Don't show me the book. Keep the book down. Open the book properly. Keep it down. Just answer me. Who all are there in your family?
Daddy.
No,
Dada.
in English. No. Dadi in English is called. Ma'am, please don't help her. Let her remember.
Grandmother.
Very good.
Grandfather.
Excellent.
Father. Brother. Sister.
And
बड़े पापा, छोटे पापा, छोटी मम्मी, बड़ी मम्मी.
they are all called uncle. They are all uncle and aunties. Okay.
Uncle.
In English, we say uncle and auntie to bade papa and chote papa and badi mummy and choti mummy. We call uncle and aunties. Okay. Yes. Now tell.
Cousins. Auntie, uncle, cousins.
Cousins. Very good. Correct. Now you know it. Okay. So next, who is going to tell me? Next is Rajveer. Rajveer, can you tell me who all are there in your family? What kind of family is yours? Oh, you also have a joint family. Oh, wow.
Yes. Grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, 2 uncle, auntie,
Okay.
and me.
Oh, and your cousins?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will say the cousins also. Okay. Brother and sister means your own brother and sister. Cousins means children of uncle and auntie. Okay. Good. Very good. Nicely explained, Rajveer. Okay. Now, Abdullah is going to say. Okay. Yes, Abdullah. Then you, Takshar, will say.
Ma'am, my family is large family.
Good. How many people are there?
Mummy, Papa,
मैं देखती हूँ मैं बता दूँ
Grandpa, Grandpa, Granny, and my sister.
Oh, wow. This is a large family. Good. Very good. So you enjoy and love your family? You enjoy with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. You play with them also? Do they love you and you love them? Yes. Good, good. Very good. Put your hands down. Very good. Nicely explained, Abdullah. Okay. Yuktaksha, then Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me about your family quickly. Mics off. Rest of your mics off. Yes, Yuktaksha.
Family.
You have?
Joint family.
Okay. Whose mic is on? Somebody's mic is on. Please keep your mics off, children.
Father and mother, grandparents, grandmothers, cousin, sister, uncle, and aunt, and
Good. Very good. Very nice. Wow. That's nice. Yuktaksha, thank you so much. Okay. Now, Aryan, then... Oh my God. So many of you want to say. All right. All right. Aryan, say it. Then Arvi. You have joint family.
No, I call family brother. Father, mother, and me.
And brother ko sabse pehle bola. Very good. You love your brother, that means. You love your brother? Oh, so sweet. Very good. You play with your brother a lot? Do you play with your brother? No. Are? You only love your brother? Okay, nice. Very good. You should love your brother. Very good. Nice. Very nice. Aryan, put your hands down. Okay, Arvi. Then we have Ritisha. Okay. But everybody has to speak in English. Remember that.
I have joint family. There are grandmother, 9 members in my family.
Okay.
Grandmother, father, mother, sister and brother, uncle, auntie, 2 cousins.
Very nicely explained, Arvi. Perfect answer. Good. Excellent. Like this, you should answer. Very good. Okay, Ritisha, then Shanvi, then Prisha. Yes, Ritisha.
I am large family.
I have a large family.
I have large family.
Very good.
Grandfather, grandmother, mummy, papa, badi dadi.
Huh?
Badi dadi.
Badi dadi. Okay, okay. All right. And
पापा की दादी और मेरी भी दोनों
Speak in English. Okay, good. And where is Ritisha?
बुआ,
What is Bua?
3 sister.
Your
Bua.
3 sisters.
Yes.
Your 3 sisters.
पहले दीदी, then पैदा हुई थी, मेरी बड़ी बड़ी लॉन्ग कर्जन पैदा हुई थी, और फिर बाद में छोटी कर्जन में पैदा हुई थी, और बाद में मनिका पैदा हुई थी, और फिर पता है ना छोटा बाबू आया था, उसका नाम चैंसी है।
Ritisha, you should try to speak in English. If even you are wrong. If even you are wrong, please try to speak in English. Please, parents, do not encourage children to speak in Hindi. In the English period, they should try to speak in English. It is compulsory. Make it a point that they are encouraged to speak in English if the parents are sitting beside the children. Do not encourage them to speak in Hindi. Only in the Hindi period they can speak in Hindi. Okay, Ritisha beta? My dear, try to speak in English. You will say, I have my grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, myself. I have one more grandmother. I have 3 aunties. Okay? And uncles.
Children.
Sorry? बोलिए.
नहीं आंटी नहीं है.
बुआ क्या होती है? बुआ आंटी होती है. यही तो सिखाना है आपको. हाँ, देखो आपको पता ही नहीं था. बुआ इंग्लिश में आंटी कहती हैं, ठीक है? बुआ, मौसी, मामा, चाचा, ताऊ, चाची, ताई.
नानी को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
नानी को हम कहते हैं ग्रैनी. नानी इज ग्रैनी एंड दादी, और दादी को कहते हैं ग्रैंड मदर. ओके?
मामा को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में?
अंकल. मामा, चाचा,
अंकल है.
Oh, right. Now you know it. Very good. I have 2 uncles. Say, I have 2 uncles.
तो अंकल, वन अंकल, उनकी शादी हो गई है.
बस. I don't want to know that. I don't want to know that. Okay? Chalo, very good. You are trying. This is very good that you are trying and want to learn. Okay? Good, Ritisha. Well done. Okay? Next is, we have now less of minute left, only 6 minutes left. Shanvi, quickly say, then we will continue in the next period. Okay?
My mother, my father,
What type of family? First say, what type of family?
I have 3 families. A
I
small
have-
family.
Yes, I have a small family. Now say.
My father, my mother, and me.
Yes, perfect. You have a small family, your father, your mother, and you. Good. All right. So now it's the turn of Prisha and Charvi. Then we will go to the next class and we will discuss and we will write very fast. Okay. Prisha, start.
I live in large family.
Large family. Okay.
There are 6 members.
All right. Who all are
Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncle, and me.
Oh, very good. Very nice. Thank you so much, Prisha. Lovely. Okay, now it's Charvi. Charvi, your turn. Keep your
Mother,
what type of family? What type of family first answer?
2 families.
2 families. There are 3 types of families. Which type of family is yours? Don't touch the phone.
Mother, father.
Charvi, you are not following then. That means you are not following. All are answering that they have large family, small family, or joint family. What kind of family you are have? Small family. Acha, tell me.
Mother, father, grandmother, grandfather.
No, then this is not a small family. This is a large family. When you have your grandparents, it is a large family. Okay. Say that I have a large family. Say.
I have a large family.
Now you will say first about your grandparents. Grandmother, grandfather. Say.
Grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, and me.
Yes, now this is correct. Okay. Whenever you will tell about your family, you will speak it like this. Will you remember?
Yes.
Good girl. Yes, Trisha, it's your turn and then we will end. Trisha, speak. Unmute करो बच्चे. हाँ.
I have my family.
Okay.
Mother,
Sir, let her speak.
Member is Mama, Papa, sister, and me.
Okay, that's perfect answer. Good. You can speak nicely. Very good. Okay, put your hands down. Okay, we have Satvik and then we end because we only have 2 minutes. Satvik, quickly.
I live in joint family.
Okay.
10 members. Daddy,
What is Dadi?
grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, uncle, aunt, 2 sisters, and brother, and myself.
2 sister and brother are your own brothers or sisters or your cousins?
Cousins.
So your parents have only you and you have cousin, brothers and sisters. Okay. You have uncle, auntie, right? Yes, good. So this is how you're going to say. Very good, Satvik. Hanishi, we will speak about you in the next period. All right. We are only having 1 minute now. So in the next period, we are going to speak about Hanishi. Then Sara will speak. Sara, can you sit straight? Legs down. Okay. Then Angel has not spoken. Then Parv has not spoken. Okay. So Angel, Sara and Parv is going to speak. And Hanishi. All right. Now, Charvi, sit straight. Now, Acha, Aran is also there. Yes, Aran will also speak. Nishant will also speak. But you will start writing. I will show you the classwork. You will start doing the classwork. Okay? Quickly. All right. Let's take break for 10 minutes. Keep your copies open. Okay, keep your copies open. We will come back again and we will do the classwork. Bye for now. Go and take your bio break.